So here's my latest challenge. I'm trying to figure out how to DIY build a 48-foot tall multi-generational passive ICF house. And that is, I'm now to the third story. I'm almost at 48 feet. I need to put in my monoslope roof. So I have the skill set, I think, to put in a monoslope roof, but I need to figure out how to cut my block at a 1/2 inch per foot slope. So let me show you what I'm up against. So up on the north side, it's going to be, there's 7 more inches of block that I need to put in. And then down here on the south side, there's 6 more inches of block that I need to put in. And the difference in between those is exactly a 1/2 inch per foot over 34 feet. So it's a 17-inch drop. So my first thought was that I would take a measurement. Let me go to where I started doing the measurement. So about right here is where I started the measurement, because that's 14 feet away from the other side. So 14 feet dropped 7 inches. So right there is my mark. And then I took my level, took my tape measure, and every 2 feet I drop another inch, make a mark, draw a line, make a mark, draw a line. Kept doing that over and over again, but I started to get a little bit nervous because I could tell it was getting off. So then I decided, well, let me just go ahead and build the 34-foot wall. And so this took, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. But the nice thing is by building the full 34-foot long wall, recreating it down here, then I was able to use the chalk line. So I grabbed my handy dandy chalk line, and as I don't know if you can tell, but I'm able to see that for the most part, I mean, really, it was only this particular block that I got off by 1/4 inch. Would that have made a difference? Maybe, I don't know. But it is nice to know that I've got a straight chalk line, and then I will be able to, since I'm gonna have to cut through so many webs, I'm gonna go ahead and use my skill saw. Makes a really dusty mess. Turns this EPS foam into really fine particles. But it's worth it because cutting through this many webs with a handsaw is kind of a pain. And then I'll just flip over each one of these and cut the back side, and then I'll have a quote-unquote perfect monoslope roof to work with. So hopefully this will be helpful to somebody else who's trying to figure out how to DIY a monoslope roof with your ICF. Hopefully it's helpful to someone. So be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.